Question 1. DS. What was the distance John traveled in miles? Condition 1. John can travel at the constant speed rate of 60 miles per hour. Condition 2. John took 2 hours to travel the distance and had a 30-minute break. Solution. Let's solve this DS question using the variable approach. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We are dealing with just one person, so the property we will be working with here is V times T equals D, and we are looking for the value of D. Follow the second and third steps. From the original condition, we have 3 variables, V, T, D, and one equation, V times T equals D. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need 2 more equations. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide one equation each, it's about 70% likely that C would be the answer. Recall 3 principles and choose C as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at conditions 1 and 2 together. Condition 1 tells us that John can travel at the constant speed rate of 60 miles per hour, or V equals 60. Thus, D equals V times T equals 60 times T. Also, condition 2 tells us that John took 2 hours to travel his trip and had a 30-minute break. So T equals 2 hours minus 30 minutes, which equals 3 over 2 hours. Substitute T equals 3 over 2 in D equals 60 times T, so we get D equals 60 times 3 over 2 equals 90. Therefore, the distance required is 90 miles, and both conditions 1 and 2 combined give us a unique solution and are sufficient by CMT2, which means that the number of answers must be 1. Both conditions 1 and 2 together are sufficient. This is a typical speed DS question. The answer is C because the number of variables starts with 3, and there is one equation. Thus, C is the answer. Answer: C.